Hey, my name is Zachary, and I'm going to be showing you the basics of coding. I did Intro to Python. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did. So this is Code Combat. This is the beginner's coding where you first learn if you have no clue what you are doing, like me, what I did first. I was so lost in everything. And then my coach was a really good coach, and he taught me everything I needed to know about coding. So that was just a breeze for me. And then these are the methods, and these are the commands. So the attack, the find nearest enemy, move down, move right, move left, move up. The while true loop is a repeated, and then just say. I'm going to go ahead and run it through so I can show you what I did. So I start right here, and I break D out. And then I go and I break B, and I break C. And then I go down here, I let them do whatever they need. And I come over here and collect gems. I know you're thinking that I don't need to collect all the gems, but I'm just letting the bad guys kill all the humans. So next was coasters. So this is the more advanced coding. This is where you start typing in it and you start dragging and make sure you got every step, because once a wrong move or one wrong thing and the whole thing's messed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it through to show you what I did and how it sounds. So um, I worked on this I'm not close to being who I am close, but I am still working on it. So if you didn't notice what was going on, first it started in a theater, and then I played music for background to like get your attention, and then I brought it to the concert, and I brought in people and started playing more music, and it's a lot of fun, and I can't wait to have my next class, and I really hoped you enjoyed mine.